Once upon a time in a bustling town, there lived a peculiar parrot named Polly. Polly wasn't your average bird. He had a knack for mimicking people's voices and often used his talent to play pranks. His mischievous nature earned him quite a reputation among the townsfolk. One sunny morning, Polly perched himself on a branch near the town square, ready to start his day of mischief. As the townsfolk passed by, Polly would imitate their voices, causing confusion and laughter wherever he went. However, Polly's pranks soon caught the attention of the wise old owl, Professor Hoot. The owl had seen enough of Polly's antics and decided it was time to teach him a lesson. Approaching Polly with a stern look, Professor Hoot said, "Polly, your pranks may bring laughter, but they also bring chaos and confusion. It's time you learned the importance of using your talents wisely." Polly, intrigued by the wise owl's words, listened intently as Professor Hoot continued, "Instead of causing mischief, why not use your gift to spread joy and positivity? Imagine the smiles you could bring to people's faces if you used your talent for good." Polly pondered Professor Hoot's words carefully. Suddenly, he felt a pang of guilt for all the trouble he had caused. Determined to make amends, Polly promised to change his ways. From that day on, Polly became the town's beloved entertainer. He used his talent to perform in the town square, bringing joy to young and old alike with his hilarious impressions and witty jokes. As time passed, Polly realized that true happiness came from making others happy. And so, the once mischievous parrot learned an important lesson, that using your talents for good brings far greater rewards than causing mischief ever could. And the town? Well, it lived happily ever after, with Polly the parrot spreading laughter wherever he went, proving that even the most peculiar of talents could bring about positive change. The story of Polly the parrot teaches us that while it's tempting to use our talents for mischief, true fulfillment comes from using them to spread joy and positivity. We should always consider the impact of our actions on others and strive to make a positive difference in the world. Thanks for watching.